Gear up is an idiomatic expression that conveys the idea of preparing, organizing, and getting ready for a specific task, event, or activity. This phrase is often used to emphasize the need for individuals, teams, or organizations to make necessary arrangements and adjustments in order to effectively engage in a planned endeavor. The term gear originally refers to equipment, tools, or clothing used for specific purposes, particularly in activities such as sports, work, or travel. Gear up extends this concept by suggesting the need to gather and arrange the required items and resources for a particular undertaking. When someone is advised to gear up, it signals a call to action, indicating that it's time to transition from a state of preparation to one of active involvement. This could involve various steps, such as collecting necessary supplies, coordinating schedules, organizing teams, and mentally focusing on the task ahead. In professional settings, gearing up often involves aligning resources, personnel, and strategies to achieve specific goals or targets. For example, a company might gear up for a product launch by coordinating marketing efforts, manufacturing schedules, and distribution plans to ensure a successful release. In sports or physical activities, gear up can refer to putting on appropriate clothing, equipment, and protective gear before engaging in the activity. For instance, a cyclist might gear up by donning a helmet, cycling jersey, and other necessary gear before starting a ride. Metaphorically, gear up can also refer to preparing mentally and emotionally for challenges or significant events. If someone is gearing up for a major presentation, it implies that they are mentally getting ready to perform to the best of their abilities. The phrase gear up often carries a sense of urgency and focus. It encourages individuals to transition from a state of readiness to one of action, motivating them to allocate their resources efficiently and engage fully in the task at hand. Gear up is used across a wide range of contexts, from academic and professional settings to personal and recreational activities. It underscores the importance of thoughtful preparation and readiness, acknowledging that successful outcomes often depend on careful planning and taking proactive steps before initiating an endeavor. In conclusion, gear up is an idiomatic expression that signifies the need to prepare, organize, and make necessary arrangements for a specific task, event, or activity. This phrase encompasses the idea of aligning resources, schedules, and focus to ensure successful engagement. It highlights the importance of being ready and proactive before embarking on any endeavor, whether it's professional, recreational, or personal in nature.